Next, we will demonstrate the braid stitch. We are using 6 strands of floss, color number 10. Bring the needle up at the top left of the design. Hold the floss with your left hand. Hold the needle with your right hand. Wrap the needle around the floss once. Bring the needle down vertically below. Bring up at the top right corner of the box. Wrap the floss behind the needle. Pull the needle up. Let's demonstrate again. Hold the floss with your left hand. Hold the needle with your right hand. Wrap the floss around the needle once. Bring the needle down below it. Bring up at the upper right corner of the box. Wrap the floss behind the needle. Pull the needle up. Let's show it one more time. Hold the floss in your left hand. Hold the needle in your right hand. Wrap around once. Bring the needle down. Bring up diagonally upward. Wrap behind the needle and pull. Don't pull too tight. This would cause puckering and affect appearance. When stitching, mind your hand pressure and direction. Maintain consistent tension. Following these steps, complete the remaining lines. Stitches flow like a braid. Creates a nice texture. Bring the final stitch down at the outline. Make slight adjustments with the needle. The braid stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.